John Jones. I'm the National Landfill Technical Manager for Suez Australia's landfill sites, looking at cell construction, cell design, filling of the cells, operational efficiencies. In Australia, Suez has got 7 landfill sites at the moment. The main use we have for the drones on the landfill sites is for topographical surveying, how much waste we can place and compact into each cell. The cells cost millions of dollars to construct, so it's very important for us to get as much waste as possible into the cells.
I'm Parth Modi and I'm the Landfill Engineer at Hallam Road Landfill. We are using the Propeller as a survey tool, superimposing the surveys and calculating the airspace balance. So that way we can predict the end of completion of the cell. Previously the airspace was calculated using surveyors who would use the rover and on foot, and there would be a lot of hazards in terms of people walking on the tip face.
With the drones we're able to get much more accurate surveys across the whole of the landfill site, all working areas that might have been inaccessible on foot in the past.
In my role, a lot of things have become very easy. One of them is tracking the current operations, and at the same time sets the tone for the next cells in terms of the timings. With Propeller I can actually get a survey every 15 days. That means I get a feedback on the balance life of the cell and the compaction densities, which keeps me always on top of the completion dates.
Having more frequent data helps us to improve performance because we're better able to track and more quickly identify if the machines are failing to perform, and because it's a lot faster and cheaper as well, it means we can do the surveys a lot more frequently, and then we can take corrective actions more quickly than previously. So for example, in the past we used to do quarterly surveys, but now we're doing them monthly. So if we identify any issues with the compaction, we can take action a lot quicker.
With Propeller, actually I can understand how much bulk out is there for the next cells and how much time. That means I can actually plan the entire timeline of the Hallam Road landfill with the help of Propeller.
If you can improve the compaction by just a few percentage points, you can save millions of dollars worth of airspace over the life of the landfill site. And by getting better compaction, you're basically extending the life of the landfill site as well. Within a period of about 3 months, we saw a good turnaround in Hallam Road. We had major issues with the compaction there. Since we've been focusing on the compaction surveys and using Propeller, we've seen a good improvement at the site. That's an ongoing improvement as well on the compaction.